Dun 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 dun. Chicka-choo. Nah, I'm just fucking with you. What's good? What's good with it, family? So today, I went to a gun show, and I didn't pick up a lot. I didn't pick up any guns, but I picked up a couple things. Honestly, I wanted to show y'all. It's going straight to the YouTube channel. First thing first, I picked up this AR bag, 36 inch. Honestly, this bitch is pretty raw. Right here, I got the drum. Right here, I got some extra ammo. Right here, I probably put some extra magazines or whatever it is. It's basically a double gun pouch. So basically, you can put a gun right here, slide this down, put a gun right here. It's basically just a pretty nice AR bag. Tan. I like the color. I like the fit. I like the feel. I needed something to put the AR in so I could take that bitch to the range. That's not what I want to put y'all on today, though. This right here from NC Star Tech. It is a AR15 M4 gunsmithing kit. But truly, I've already taken this out the package. I fuck with it, and I'm about to explain to y'all why I like it. Hold on. Where's it at? Dun, 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 dun. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. At first, I wasn't really a big fan of the rollout. Basically, it gives you like a whole mat or a whole pad, in a sense, to be able to work on. Which I already have a pad to work on, in a sense. So really, I didn't need this, or I didn't need the pad. But what we have right here is basically, I'm gonna break down each little thing. This is a hammer. A lot of people don't understand the sense of breaking down ARs. Honestly, building ARs, uppers or lowers. It's not good to have basically like a regular brass or well, honestly, this right here is brass. But it also comes off. I'm gonna go ahead and take this apart just to show y'all. In a sense, if you're hitting guns and you're hitting anything with the gun, with this metal right here and this brass, you'll end up messing the gun up. So it also has like a little nylon or a rubber thing. It can also come off. Only because there's different things that you use each of these for. I'm not going to get into it. But I like the fact that they have the little hammer. Right here, basically, they have a lot of punches. And the punches are tools specifically for AR, or specifically in a sense, let me see. If I can show y'all one of the punches. I mean, honestly, there's punches everywhere on this. And that's how you end up taking the ARs apart. But this right here, it doesn't come with every punch. I believe it truly only comes with the punches meant for the AR15 or M4. Also, I like these because it has, let me see if I can show y'all. I don't know if it's going to zoom in so that y'all can actually see it. But it has engraved basically the size of the nut. So you can look up online and see what size you need for which part, and you can use it like that. This right here is a simple handguard remover. I would show you how to do it, but I gotta take some stuff apart for it. Honestly, I'm saying this is really like a basic. It's a simple kit, but I like it only because anything that you want to do with the AR, anything that you need to do with the AR, you can any taking down any of the upper and lower receivers, any taking off, any replacements you can do with this little kit. Now I'm gonna show y'all this right here, only because this is the only reason that I actually went and bought this fucking kit. Now, this has a lot of different little tools in it. I'm about to explain. First thing first, what is this? A receiver push pin is what this is. So, These are what they call the push pins. If you can see. All you do is line this up to where those are. And it pulls these little things out just enough to where you can pull them out to then separate the gun. I like the fact, in a sense, it has a whole bunch of different stuff. What's this next one? An A2 stock. Honestly, this is more something to pry off. A castle nut. So truly, this right here is why I ended up buying this whole tool and why I needed this in the first place. Because what this does is help you take off basically the buffer tube, in a sense, to apply other stocks and stuff to your ARs. So this castle nut is actually really important. And if you go get a castle nut by itself, it's probably like $30 to $50 by itself. I bought this whole kit for $55 at the gun show today. What else is on this? Muzzle device, in a sense. Things. The wrenches. Let me see which one of these is going to fit. Ooh. I feel like I'm doing it wrong. There we go. But in a sense, if I wanted to take a muzzle off or add a muzzle brake or anything right there, that tool fits on perfectly for it. And this screws on, so I really could take that off. Let's see what else is on here. It actually has something, a barrel bush for a 1911. I don't have a 1911 in a sense to be able to show y'all, but 1911s are rather difficult to take apart, and there's some extra tools that you need. This actually has one of the tools that you need for the 1911. What's next on this? An A2 buffer tube. Something that, let me see. Well, I have to take that down a little bit more in a sense to show y'all the buffer tube. Well, actually, no. Honestly, I couldn't tell you in a sense how to fit this. I just know once, I've seen it done with this specific tool. Truly, this is the first time I have seen all of these tools together in one like this, though. And that's really the only reason I came to show y'all today. A drive pin, in a sense, this one right here, you put it on. Basically, in a sense, to twist. Let me see. I believe it is for the sights and things of that nature. I truly couldn't. I haven't used that one. There's also a bottle opener on here. So if you need a beer opener or a can opener, there's one on here. Whatever it is. This right here, I actually like. Now, this is called a barrel nut. I honestly do not know. I've never used a barrel nut. Also, mine is not a basically because I have a free floating barrel on there, which actually I have another one to show y'all. Basically, because I have this on there, you can't see the barrel in a sense to be able to put the barrel nut on there. But basically, in a sense, all it does is just help you screw the barrel nut off. Again, man, this tool right here, and this I know because I've looked for this multiple times in the last couple weeks trying to find the castle nut to take this off. This tool right here by itself ranges anywhere from like $30 to $40, $50. This castle nut just by itself. So considering the fact that I got this whole kit for $55 in a sense with the roll-up pad and everything like that, I feel it was a pretty good deal. I would most definitely recommend it to anybody who wants to, what's the word? Anybody who's trying to build. I would say it's a simple build kit. I would say, in a sense, anybody who is trying to replace anything on an already existing AR, this basically has everything that you could already need as far as the tools go. There's not much on here that I would say. In a sense, in building them, I feel like there's a few more tools, building uppers or lowers. But this is a basic, most definitely. If you have an AR, you want to put any stocks on it, you want to put any muzzle brakes on it, you want to put truly anything on it, any sights or anything. It even has a sight adjuster. Honestly, it's in one of those punches, because the punches have the same punches that these sights do. Sight adjusters and everything like that, though. But yeah, I would most definitely recommend going and getting you. Which again, I've never seen these tools whole. I've never seen this in a sense like an all-in-one purpose. So if I was you, I would most definitely. But yeah, in a sense, if I was you, I would most definitely recommend this toolkit to a lot of people. Anybody trying to add anything to their already existing ARs, any minor details in a sense like the trigger, if you want to switch out the triggers and anything like that, it has the punches for all of that. But yeah, most definitely. I just wanted to get on here and break down this toolkit. NC Star, I'll show y'all again. $55 if you can't read the price tag. This is the NC Star AR15 or M4 gunsmithing toolkit. Again, I would recommend it. I would most definitely recommend trying to go somewhere and find it for the same price I did. Most definitely, it is affordable. Appreciate you for watching. Peace and blessings to you.